In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add a widget to your lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to add a widget onto your S26 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into the settings for your lock screen. So you want to hold down on a blank portion of your home screen like so. Then from there, what you want to do is hit wallpapers and style. And then from there, you want to keep your current wallpaper on your lock screen. And then there's this quick add widgets button there where you'll be able to add some widgets for your lock screen. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to add widgets to your lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.